I used to stay up all night trying to find my place.
Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today I am so excited to be doing my fall home tour for you guys. I have been procrastinating to actually do this video because I didn't want to record it until I actually feel the fall vibes, and the weather is finally changing here. So just want to show you guys what I have done with the place. I just really have added some pops of color and pops of fall, but I'm not a huge decorator. I love everything minimum if you've been watching me. So let's just go ahead in. First on the front porch I have a fall wreath, and then I have that welcome sign that I got from Goodwill and that pumpkin from Lowe's Hardware, and that wreath was just made by a friend. So to the left, once you walk in the door, is my kitchen. I'm just going to go over the fall decor. So if you want to see my official home tour, you can definitely go check that out. I'll put it down below. So this is the decorations that are on my kitchen counter. So I purchased all those from Target, and then that plant I believe was from Ross. So all that was in like the dollar spot at Target. So the only other fall decor that I have on the countertop is Mrs. Meyer's apples. I think it's apple cider is the flavor for the all-purpose spray. And then I also purchased that pumpkin soap dispenser from Hobby Lobby. So on the kitchen table, I just have the pumpkin along with the vase and the flowers. I purchased the vase from Hobby Lobby and the flowers from Dollar Tree. So on the shelf, the only thing I have as far as fall decor is that black and white pumpkin. And then at the bottom, I purchased that cotton plant from Hobby Lobby. The fall is my favorite shelf. Is from Target Dollar Spot along with that white pumpkin. And then the white pumpkin candle is actually from Marshall's. So next is my living room. So I just purchased that blanket from Hobby Lobby, and then I already had those white pillows throughout the year, and then I purchased that Thankful Pumpkin pillow from Hobby Lobby as well. So this is the entertainment center that I have, and that pumpkin I purchased from TJ Maxx. The Thankful sign I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I just keep that out throughout the year. And then that picture frame is just Eleni, and those are our fall pictures. And I just recently purchased this blanket ladder shelf. Can't quite figure out how I want to fold my blankets, as you guys can tell, but I have really been loving that shelf, and I just purchased that from Facebook Marketplace. And all this decor right here, so I purchased it from TJ Maxx. Those pumpkins, that centerpiece is from TJ Maxx, and then the candle is from, pretty sure it's from Marshall's or Ross, and then that Be Thankful sign is from the Target Dollar Spot. So for this entryway table, I tried to stick with the more neutral colors. I didn't want to do too much orange, so I just kept it very simple and minimum, and then I just went with more of the gold and off-white colors.
Teardrops start to dry.
So next I'm going to take you guys into the guest bathroom, and the only thing I did in here was I did add this fall harvest spice, and that's hand soap and then hand lotion for the guests. And then I also ordered that pumpkin, and I just purchased that. I'm pretty sure that was from Dollar Tree. So next is the guest room, and the only thing I added in here was the Gather pillow that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and then I also purchased that pumpkin, so I sort of went with the gold and white in here. So I just got the pumpkin to actually match the bedspread, which definitely tied in that pillow. So those were the only two things I added, and then I also added a couple things on my desk, and I'll show you guys that in just a second. So here I just added another plaid pumpkin. I just really like that black and white look that everybody's going for this season. And then I also added that pillow. I just purchased that as a set. The other pillow is actually on the porch in the woven chair, but I actually just use that mainly for my back whenever I'm doing homework or working on YouTube. And in my master bedroom, I really haven't made any changes just because we are constantly using this room. I try not to keep too much decor around or sitting on the nightstand or anything like that. But I did add that black and white pumpkin, and that is pretty much the only thing that I've changed in here. I do plan on working on those cords for every room that we have the TV mounted, so hopefully we'll be working on that soon. So the next room I'll take you guys in is our bathroom, and the only things I've added was the white pumpkin that I got from Target's Dollar Spot last year, along with that soap. So that's just some hand soap, and I purchased that from TJ Maxx. I have changed my bathroom up a little bit. I now have our toothbrushes up top. It's just easier when we're getting ready in the morning to have the toothpaste and toothbrush up top. So this room is Eleni's room. I just have quite a bit of pops of orange, so I try to keep it fun just because it is my little girl's room. So I just purchased all those different pieces from Target. So I purchased the Give Thanks pumpkin, the Hello Fall pumpkin, the owl. I actually thought that was super cute, and I purchased that from Dollar Tree. And then the 3 pumpkin set, I'm pretty sure that was from Ross or TJ Maxx, one of those stores.
I know that I haven't been who I was.
I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this home fall tour with me. Like I said, I don't go overboard with the fall decor. I try to rearrange things often, and then I just try to add pops of fall just so it doesn't look too cluttered. I like everything pretty simple. If you have any questions, definitely leave it in the comments below and let me know how you like to decorate for fall. Do you like to do tons of fall decor, or do you like to keep it simple like me? So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.